today. In this video, we are going to talk about the different changes in our daily lives. As we know that we have many different changes, changes in our surroundings in our daily lives, like growth of the trees, rising of the sun, settling of the sun, and many different shapes and size of the moon, burning of the paper, coal and wood, etc. So these are the changes as we know. But do we know what are the types of changes in our daily life? What are the names of the changes? So we are going to talk about these changes in this video. So let's begin with this interesting video. First is the reversible change. Change which can be reversed to its original form. For example, like reversible change is the changes which can be reversed easily by reversing the condition to obtain the substance in its original form. For example, the folding of the paper, a folded sheet of paper can be unfolded, and thus it is a reversible change. Okay, for example, this is a piece of paper. This is a paper. We will fold this paper into 4 times. Once, twice, thrice and thrice. Okay, so this is the paper we folded 4 times. Did the color of the paper change? No, it remains the pink same. Did any new substance formed? No. But what did change? The size of the paper changed. Yes, from a bigger paper we change the paper into a smaller paper. So this is a big pink paper. Now we fold it many times, it became a small paper. So did anything change? Yes, the shape. Yes, the size. Did any other thing change? The color, any new substances formed? No. So this is a reversible change, which means that no new substances formed, no color change, but only the size, the state and the shape of the substance will change, and thus it is known as a reversible change. Now let's talk about irreversible change. What are irreversible change? Changes which cannot be reversed even by reversing the conditions to obtain the substance in its original form are called irreversible change. For example, a burning of a paper. Okay, as I told you, this is a paper. This is a paper. When we burn this paper, it will produce ash. Okay, the paper will burn and it will produce ash. Now tell me, can ash become again the paper? Can ash go back and again become a paper? No. So it is a reversible change, because the thing which cannot be reversed again to its original place is called a reversible change, irreversible change. Now let's talk about the physical and the chemical changes. Physical changes. Physical changes is as same as reversible changes, and chemical changes is as same as irreversible changes. Now let's start with physical changes. Physical changes in which only the physical property of the substance is changed. For example, the state, the size and the shape of the substance will change and is called physical change. Most of the physical change are reversible change. For example, folding of the paper. As I told you, we fold the paper many times, but only the size of the paper is changed. No color difference, no new substances formed. So that is a physical reversible change. Second is the melting of ice into water. Okay, suppose this is an ice cube. Okay, this is an ice cube. We melt it into water. We put it into a pan and heated it, and it gets converted into water. Now, can we make that water again into ice? Yes, we can. We can freeze that water and it will become ice. So it is a physical reversible change, because the ice get changed into water. Only the state of the substance is changed, like solid to liquid. But yes, we can form that liquid to solid again. Third is the stretching of a rubber band. Okay, suppose we have a rubber band, we stretched it. What will change? Only the size, only the shape. Okay, so but no new substance formed, no color changes. So yes, it is the reversible change, physical reversible change. Now let's talk about the properties of the physical changes. Properties are as same as I mentioned in the examples in the definition. First property is that physical changes generally as same as reversible changes. As we told, physical change can be reversed to its original place back again. Yes, so these were the properties of physical change. Now let's talk about the chemical changes. Chemical changes is a very important change in our daily lives. We use these chemical changes are basically happened in our labs, daily routines in our labs. So first, let us know that what are chemical changes. Chemical changes is as same as irreversible changes. As I told you, chemical changes is a change in which the a new substance, a totally new substance is formed. All the color, everything is changed and a new substance is formed, but it cannot reverse, it cannot get back to its original place, is known as chemical change. Let's talk about some examples of the chemical changes. Like digestion of food. Okay, when we digest our food, do food remains in our stomach? No, it produces proteins, enzymes and nutrition. So every proteins and nutritions are a very totally new substances formed in our body. So this is the digestion of food is an example of chemical change. And the mixing of vinegar, the reaction of vinegar and baking soda, okay, let's take vinegar like acetic acid and baking soda, sodium bicarbonate. Let's mix it together. A lots of carbon dioxide will produce. So it produces a totally new substance. So carbon dioxide is a totally new substance which is produced by reacting with vinegar and basic soda. So this is the chemical change in which it cannot be reversed with back position. So these were the changes in our daily life. If you want to know more about the changes, please like this video, subscribe, share and like. Bye bye guys.